Happy Tuesday and happy Cinco de Mayo. It is the 5th of May. I am so excited that I get to come and see you guys today and drop off something really special. I am even more excited that you guys actually did all of the work on it, other than me, kind of putting it together and putting stuff in the cups. But you guys did such a great job on your Mexico projects, and I'm so sad that no one got to actually come through and see it, but now they can. So be looking for that. It'll be coming sometime in the early afternoon. I'll be dropping it off at your house, okay? All right, so let's do our math, and then I'm going to read you a quick story. So you're going to be drawing a 6-centimeter line segment for your name today. Make sure you're on the centimeter side, 0 to 30. Otherwise, it's going to be super long if you're on the inch side. Our date today is 5/5/20. It is May 5th. And the day of the week is Tuesday, capital Tuesday. Your tally marks are going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on your place value chart, you're going to be writing the number 111. That's going to be all ones. 1, 1, 1. So 111 has 1 ones, 1 10, and 1 hundreds. You're going to circle the digit that tells the number of ones. So we're going to circle this one. Okay, perfect. Now, number 2. While she was away, Shannon wrote 4 letters to her parents, 4 letters to her Aunt Debbie, and 2 letters to her brother Billy. Sounds like this is going to be a long problem. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the letters that Shannon wrote. So we really do have to do all of them. So the first one it says is that she wrote 4 letters to her parents. So we're going to draw 4 envelopes, okay? So just make a little rectangle with a little thing that looks like an envelope. So we're doing 4 of these because she wrote 4 to her parents. Don't draw too big or this is not all going to fit. Okay, so 4 letters to her parents, 4 letters to Aunt Debbie. So we're going to make a plus sign because remember, we have to show that we're getting some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're not done because she also wrote 2 letters to her brother Billy. So you know how we've been adding together 3 numbers? That's what this problem is. So 4 letters to her parents, 4 letters to Aunt Debbie, plus 2 more letters to her brother Billy. So now that we have our picture, just like we always do all of our number sentences, we're now going to put this picture into a number sentence, okay? So don't make it harder than it is. We're just going to follow our picture. So our first number is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus, how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus, how many did she write to her brother? 2. And now we're going to do our equals. And then you're going to do your problem just like we always do. So we're going to caret together. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then 8 plus 2 equals 10. So how many letters did Shannon write? 10 letters. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to go down here to number 3. It says the children in Mrs. Matthews' class made this graph about their favorite ice cream. So this one shows how many children chose vanilla, and this row shows how many children chose chocolate. So you're going to write one thing that you know about the children in Mrs. Matthews' class. So if I'm looking at the graph and I see vanilla, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 children chose vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children chose chocolate. So I can write anything. I can say 10 children chose chocolate. I can say more children chose vanilla than chocolate. I can say less children chose chocolate than vanilla. I can say anything like that to show one thing that I know about the children in Mrs. Matthews' class. I'm going to say that 12 children chose vanilla. So I'm going to write 12 children, and I can write children correctly because it's spelled right here, chose vanilla. You can write what I wrote, or you can choose anything else that you want to write that you know about them based on the graph, okay? All right, now we're going to go down here to number 4, where we have these circles over here in the box. We're going to color 5 circles red. So I've got my red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles red, and I'm going to color 3 circles blue. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my question over here says, how many out of how many circles are red? Well, let's first find out how many did we color red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be our first number. 5 circles out of how many circles altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 circles out of 8 circles all together are red. Yes, red. So 5 out of 8 are red. There you go. And down here at the bottom, you're just going to do those all by yourself because you totally can do it all by yourself. Okay, I told you I'm going to read you a story. It says that my eye thing is getting full. It's not from me. I share a cloud with people. Okay, so I'm going to try and read you this story. It's called, I Don't Want to Be a Frog. I love this story. It's not too long. I want to be a cat. You can't be a cat. Why not? Because you're a frog. I don't like being a frog. It's too wet. Well, you can't be a cat. I want to be a rabbit. You can't be a rabbit. Why not? Look, I can hop. Sure, but where are your long ears? Besides, what's wrong with being a frog? Oh, man, I don't like being a frog. It's too slimy. That may be, but you can't be a rabbit. I want to be a pig. You can't be a pig. Why not? Most of all because you're a frog, but also because you don't have a curly tail or eat garbage. I can eat garbage. Everyone says that until they eat garbage. Sorry, you can't be a pig. Ooh, I want to be an owl. Of course you want to be an owl. Being an owl is the greatest thing ever. Boy, would you love being an owl? So I can be an owl then? No, of course not. Why not? You don't have wings. You don't look wise. You can't turn your head all the way around. And you are a frog. What's wrong with being a frog anyway? Ugh, too much bug eating. I see. But still, no being an owl for you. Why so glum? I don't want to be a frog. What do you want to be then? Not a frog. I want to be a cat or a rabbit or a pig or an owl. Something cute and warm. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I love eating cats, and I love eating rabbits and pigs and owls. And I am pretty hungry. I might just go gobble some up right now. That's terrible. It's who I am. But guess the one thing I never eat. Badgers? No. I eat badgers. Lots of badgers. Frogs? Bingo! Why don't you eat frogs? Because they are too wet and slimy and full of bugs. Oh, so it's good to be a frog? Yup. I guess you can't fight nature. We are what we are. You are a fierce hunter. And you are a wet, slimy, bug-eating, very lucky frog. You should just be happy you're not a fly. What's wrong with being a fly? The end. Never forget that God made you special and He made you perfect, and you are not supposed to be anybody else but yourself. I love you and I miss you.